But we're actually even going to create an app, an app that where persons can actually see the list of price comparisons. One, they're also going to see the list that we have of the maximum prices. They will also to be able to do a lookup to see if what the price is supposed to be, so that if they are doubting whether or not the price is an accurate price, they can actually look it up. And if the price while shopping, and if they for example, want to submit and they notice that the price is, for example, more than what's there, they can actually take a picture of the item, make sure we can see the item, the name of the item, the size, the price, and then, of course, indicate which supermarket and the date. We can always then
follow up.
We would definitely do a follow up. And if someone has even already bought the item, they will be able to then submit the same information with a picture, but they need to have the receipt. So, and where we could see it's dated, so that we can correspond it with the correct maximum price list. Because of course, over time, the maximum price will change. So they have to make sure that they're comparing it with the current price. So that will be. That is some of the things that we are coming up with, and so that we can make it much more effective, because we only actually have like about 6 economic controllers. And for them, if we have 72 items, we have to look at different brands, different sizes, and 120 supermarkets with 6 controllers that have other work to do, because weights and measurements, price indication, see if persons have licenses. You know, it is a tremendous amount of work, and we appreciate the work that the guys do, but it becomes a lot. So the more eyes and ears that we have, helping us to monitor the prices to make sure persons are not overcharging or going over the maximum price.